Hello people, welcome to another tutorial on this series. Today we are learning choices and labels. So I'm going to teach you how to make choices and I'm going to teach you what labels are. So by now you already know how to open up your editor. Continuing where we left off, we're going to make a choice. To make a choice, it's really simple. To make a choice, you just need to type in menu. Now, menu is how you create choices. Menus are also known as choices in Ren'Py. And what you want to do is go and make text and have this bracket right here. Now, in the quotation marks, you want to write what you want your choices to be. For instance, I want this choice to be good, and our second choice is going to be not so good. That's how you make choices. To create labels, it's also pretty simple. What a label is essentially a group of text. Basically, it's a section of the story, a segment. So if we go and label this one, choice 1, put a colon there, and we go ahead and write, make Bob say, now for every label, you need to have a return statement. Okay? You should always have a return statement, otherwise it's going to keep going to the next label, is going to keep going to the next segment, and just keep going on and on. We're going to create another label, name this choice underscore 2, and make Bob say, I'm glad to do that. Now this isn't in order. You can add another return. So, we should probably have passes right here. We should have turns. Now, if we run this right now, and go and select our choices, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to take us back to the main menu. That's because we have return statements. If we didn't have any statements, it's going to error, because it's an empty block. If we have a pass, as you're going to see, something is going to happen. It's just gonna... Oh, guess it's just not gonna do anything. Oh yeah, it's just gonna... It's not gonna do anything. So, how do you make it go to the next line? How do we make it go to where it needs to go? That's using a jump statement. What you want to do is type jump, and then the name of your label. In this instance, for good, we want to do choice, underscore 2. If we're not so good, do choice 1. That's not good. I done something wrong. Ah, I forgot to put a jump here. That's why. So if we put good, Bob is going to say, I'm glad to hear that. If we put not so good, he's going to say it's not so good. And that's how you do choices and labels. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I'll see you all in the next tutorial, I guess.